Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn how to use pivot transformation in Dataflow in the Fabric. So here is our data. We have employee ID, employee name, we have month and a sale amount. And what we would like to do, we would like to pivot this. We have employee ID and employee name here, and then we have month that's as a column here. We would like to see those name as a row, and then these values should come under it. So this will look like this. So that's what we are going to do. Let's go ahead, and we are here in our workspace, and here I'm gonna go to the new item and then create a new data flow. So we'll call this one a df pivot. Okay, just create that one. Okay, so here is our get data tab, and I'm gonna go to more, and then we are gonna click on view more, and fabric, and then Lakehouse. So here you will set up your connection, and if you don't have a connection, you will go to the create new connection, and then provide the required information such as the connection name and the account that you would like to use. I already have created one connection for Lakehouse, and I'm going to click next, and now we will be able to see our workspace and Lakehouses. So here is my sales workspace, and then I have TechBros Lakehouse here, and then we have files, and one of the file in the staging is the pivot data. So that's what we are going to use, that one. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit a create button, and then we will see our data right here in the data flow. So as per our template that I showed you guys, this is what we would like to do. So what we are going to do here, we are going to go right here, and then in this case it's very easy. First of all, I'm going to go right here, use first row as a header, and then once that's done, we are going to select the columns. So I will select the month, and then I will select the sale amount. So then we will go to the transform, and here I will go to the pivot column. So click right there, and then you see that the say value column is our sale amount. So if I click right there, now we will be all good, and it will bring us data in this form. So let's delete this one and do a little more experiment. So now in this case, if I have let's say selected sale amount here, and then I have selected this account name, second column on month, and if I go to the pivot here, you see that the value column is a change. So it really matters which column you select, and then you have to tell the right column that you want to use for the values. So here you see that now we use the value as a column, so it's coming right here, something like this. So that's what I was about to say. So now if you have makes your selections here, sale amount right here, then you have month, then you go to pivot here, and in the you have use the sale amount as a value column. That's what will happen. So in month, what's going to happen, see right there, so it is all messed up right here, so month is coming under the values. So it is the sequence in which you will select the columns is important. So if I will go ahead and just unselect this one, now I select the month first, and then I select the sale amount, and now when I go to pivot here, and it sees that sale amount as a value, that's fine, and then here I will hit OK, and now it will give me the well formatted output. So you want to make sure you are selecting column in the sequence that you want to show. So let's say I want to have employee name, and employee name I would like to see as columns on top, and then sale amount as the values. So in this case, I'm going to select the employee name first, then I'm going to hit press control, and then select the second column. And now I'm going to go to the pivot, and here we see that the value column is the sale amount. That's fine, and that's what we would like to see. And now what happened here, so you see that our name column names came on top, and the values are right here for that. So this is how you will be selecting. Now if you will go simply right here, and then let's say you are going to go to the pivot, and you can go to advanced here as well, and here it tells you employee ID, that's the value, and then you are saying there are aggregations available to you as well. So if you need to perform some aggregation, you can do that. In my case, I'm not doing those, so we are just sticking with the basic. And again, you can select the column. So this is the name column. month name, and then this is the value column. So I'm going to go pivot again, and then it has selected the value column as sale amount. So hit OK, and it will be well formatted output in our required format. So month name comes on top, and the values in the sale amount comes right here for those months. And now we are all good here, and what we are going to do, we are going to go to warehouse, add a destination here, and then write to the warehouse table. We are going to select the warehouse here, and now sorry, actually you could just simply click right there, and we will say pivot demo, hit next, and it's going to create a new table. So you want to append it or you want to replace is fine for me. I'm going to save setting, and now once it's all done, I'm going to go ahead and save and run. And now you will go to the monitoring, and here, let me see, where is the monitoring? So go right here in the monitoring, and you can see that our data flow is running. Our data flow is completed, and now we can see the results. And what we are going to do, we are going to go to the warehouse here, and in the warehouse, this is our TechBrother warehouse. We go to schemas, go to the tables, and then we are going to click right there and refresh our tables, and we should see the table called pivot. So it's right here, pivot demo. So I will click on that one, and it's going to show us the preview. And we have employee ID, we have employee name, and then we have months on top, and the values right here as a row values. So this is how you will use the pivot in Dataflow. And I thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.